in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, Denver County in northeastern Colorado, east central Jefferson County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:52 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Roxborough Park, or 19 miles southwest of Denver, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Denver, western Aurora, Lakewood, southeastern Arvada, southwestern Centennial, northwestern Highlands Ranch, southwestern Commerce City, Littleton, Englewood, eastern Wheat Ridge, Greenwood Village, Roxborough Park, Sheridan, Morrison, and Chatfield Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information, visit www.weather.gov/Denver.